Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is virtualtech.m1. In this tutorial, I'm going to show the process of fixing this error on Cloudflare. If you have a website that already linked with Cloudflare and when you are trying to reach your website once again, it's end up with an error message like this. So after watching and following this tutorial correctly, you will also be able to fix the problem and reach your website without having and facing any of problems or removing Cloudflare. Yes, you can have Cloudflare too and fix this error. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and then join with me. Okay friends, firstly you need to sign into your Cloudflare dashboard like this. Then you need to open your website. Once it come to this screen, you need to click on this SSL TLS option. In here you need to find this SSL encryption option. There is an option in here called configure. You need to click on it. So when it comes to here, you can see there are four options that provide by Cloudflare. In here you need to uh, change this full strict option to full option. With the new updates of Cloudflare, they have removed this strict option from pre-users. So we can't use this strict SSL only option in our pre websites. That's why you will end up with an error like that. So changing this option into full will fix the problem. So let's save these settings and try to reach our website once again to clarify whether our problem has already fixed or not. So I'm going to reach my website, which means I'm going to refresh my website. Here you can see my website is normally loading. So with that, I'm going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join it.